What steps you have taken to improve the profits?
Well, we are trying to see, always it's an ongoing continuous exercise. We are one is of course R&D, in-house R&D. Second is to come out with plants which are new, better in capacity, which on not only increase output but the power consumption is less, because in plastics power is like a raw material, and if you can give machines with higher output and with less consumption of power, then that is an advantage to the customers, and we can also take advantage of that. Thirdly, by widening the widening the manufacturing program, we come out introducing new products. For example, a few months back only, we have tied up with an American company to manufacture complete lines for drip irrigation. Now this drip irrigation we feel is going to be a very big, has got immense scope, and these machines we have already supplied about 3 machines. They have been received very well, and we hope to export these machines, and in these machines we also import certain proprietary components or know-how from this American company and put them in our machines. So like this we keep on coming out with new models with our higher output machines. Then we also introduce some other allied lines so that it can reduce. At the same time, we were not very strong in blown film lines, but now we have decided to have a technical know-how from an American company, Gloucester Engineering Company, and and we feel that by next year we will be able to come out with very high output machines of international standards. We will be able to introduce some new machines like bag making machines, bag on roll machines, and that will also again increase our manufacturing production program. And by this way we keep on increasing our manufacturing program. We also then not depend only on say pipe plants. So for example, now we give machines to manufacture PVC pipe, we manufacture CPVC pipe which are required for housing, to manufacture polypropylene pipes, to manufacture HDP pipes which are required for irrigation, which are required for transportation of water, transportation of gas, telecommunication, teleducting, all these applications.